Hey, what's up everyone? Nick here with The Last Coat. I want to talk to you about cleaning your polishing and cutting pads once you're done. If you're doing a lot of hand washing on them, that gets kind of tiring and gets pretty old after a while. So if you have something like this or a bucket full here, you're going to want to use something like this. So I just put some Velcro strips, screwed them right onto a piece of wood. I have my buffing pads pre-soaking in Purple Power. We're just going to straight take them, stick them right onto here. You can do the same thing with a wool pad or there's a microfiber one in here. Or you can do the same thing with a microfiber. Then, once I have them there, I'll just take it's actually a little fine brush, kind of like a toothbrush, but this is actually for a gun cleaning brush. Real nice because it has two different types of bristles, a stiff one and a soft one. So the soft one for the foam, we're just going to agitate it. If you feel like you need a little more on the actual pad, then just take Purple Power mixed 1-to-1 with water, spray it right onto the pad itself. When you do this, it kind of foams it up, gives you a little more foam cleaning power. And then on the foam, just again agitate with the soft brush. And then for the wool, this is the reason I like this brush, is because it has a little bit more aggressive brush here, and you can really actually get into the gnat with the wool. Same thing with the microfiber. I use the thicker one. And once you've done that, take a pressure washer, or you can use your garden hose. You're just going to need to use a strong stream of water. Turn that on first. Then once you've done that, the easiest way to get the remainder of the degreaser out is to then put it into something like this, or you can do this by hand. I found that this helps me a little bit more. Then I just take the garden hose here. And I literally just press them as I'm rinsing them so that all the degreaser comes out of the pad itself. And you can actually take it and you can distort the pad and wring it out. Because it's foam, it will come back to shape. Again, you can do the same thing with these ones and rinse everything out. It will come right back. There's no worry of that. You do the same thing with the wool here. This is a Roops wool. This is a Meguiar's microfiber, and then this is a Roops foam. So again, just keep rinsing them out until you have clean water coming out of them. Then once you do that, you can actually just take them and throw them in your dryer on low heat or no heat and actually dry them that way. I find that to be the quickest and most effective way when you have a bunch of them to clean. So hope that can help you guys, and look forward to doing more of these tutorials and hacks for you to make your life easier. Have a good day.